All right, I got internet. Let's look at the markets right now. We're looking at the 1 hour chart and the 1 minute chart. Price is respecting this bearish fair value gap. Bodies are within the median. It's coming back down to rebalance all of these inefficiencies. The question is, which fair value gap will price bounce from? I guess my bias is bearish until it possibly hits here. Overall bias is bullish. I mean, look at this candle. This candle bounced all the way up in 1 day. Median still hasn't been taken out yet. I'm actually expecting to see price to come up a little bit more if it is gonna come down and take out these lows and balance the weekly price range. 15-minute took out lunch low, previous day lunch low, filled in this fair value gap. It's an order block right here. It looks like it's going to respect it, but we'll see. Right now, there's no move. If you look at the economic calendar, I think this Thursday, there's core inflation rate month over month and year over year at 8:30. So market price action might be a little wonky. It might consolidate a little bit. You might see bursts of distribution to either side, but it's going to be a little difficult to kind of see, or I guess quote unquote predict a high probability trade, because price behavior can be a little erratic when there is big news coming out, like core inflation rate this Thursday. So it's better to kind of just chill out a little bit and see if you can catch a run in a certain direction. But right now, I don't really see a trade. You can see if you want to take a trade down. This is a 5-minute candle, and it looks pretty bearish. But price is reacting off of what? There's no real level here. The next place where I would expect price to kind of react from is this fair value gap close to the 8:30 open. So we'll see what price does around here, but I'm just going to sit tight today. There might not be a trade in this AM session because it definitely ranged. If you look at the Asia high, London high, it ranged. So we might see a whole bunch of consolidation during the New York AM session. All right, trading my other 50K account, I had to readjust my bias. I think price is going to head up into this 2 fib and 2.5 fib level. I market entered there because it doesn't seem like price wants to come back down to rebalance this yet. So we'll see if price just continues to pump. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Let's go. This 50K account is now funded. I'll probably get the funded account tomorrow. I did 1.5K today. The only downside is that I had 43 trades and I wanted to keep that under 10. I'm not mad though. What I am mad about is blowing my 150K account and locking out my other 50K account. So now this account is completely gone. I'm no longer going to be able to trade this account. This account, I'll be able to trade this tomorrow. And the goal for this account is $3,000 in profit to get funded. I'm looking to have two 50K funded accounts. So tomorrow you're going to see one 50K account with a different account number. That's going to be a funded account. I'm going to state that it's funded. And I'm going to be trading this eval account. So this morning I said that I didn't really know what price was going to do because there's big news coming on Thursday and price could definitely consolidate. It could be choppy price action. PM session could show some more movement, but I wasn't sure the bias. I wasn't really sure what was going to happen. I actually got faked out on this manipulation leg, right? So price is consolidating. I thought this move up was going to send price back down. The reason why is because of this huge wick on this 15-minute candle. Okay. It tapped up into here and I thought price was going to come back down, which is where I had lost my 150K account and locked out my other 50K account because I kept shorting. I kept wanting to short down to this sell side liquidity. I changed my stance after I saw that this was actually the manipulation leg. So what I ended up doing was I ended up drawing a fib level from here to here and targeted 2.5 and 2 fib. My actual sell was this 2.5 fib. What will tomorrow bring? I have no idea. Price hit the median of this daily fair value gap. So price could definitely pump up to fill this fair value gap and take out this previous week high, or price could reject off of this median price level and send price down lower. And that's something that I'm going to be waiting on. I'm not going to rush into any trades. Well, I'm going to try not to, and we'll see what happens.